Hi there, squishy scientists! Ever wonder what makes slime so stretchy and fun? Let's go into some slime-tastic facts! Slime is super stretchy thanks to polymers. They're long chains of molecules that move like spaghetti noodles. That's what makes slime bendy and stretchy. Did you know slime was discovered by accident? Scientists were experimenting with different chemical reactions, and boom, slime was born. The toy company Mattel made it famous in the 1970s. You can make all kinds of slime. Fluffy with shaving cream, glittery with sparkles, or crunchy with beads, to make all kinds of cool textures. What's your favorite? Making slime is like science you can squish. Mixing glue, which is a polymer, with an activator like borax or contact lens solution, they link up and form stretchy, gooey fun. Some slime is safe to eat. You can make it with marshmallows, cornstarch, or gummy bears, but always ask a grown-up. Add glow powder or glow-in-the-dark paint and your slime will light up in the dark like a glowing ghost or magic. Oh, super glowing goo! On-screen text. The lights go out and the slime glows with a greenish light. Feeling wiggly or worried? Slime to the rescue. Squishing and stretching can help you feel calmer and happy. Squeezing and stretching it can help your brain relax. Like a fidget toy. Super squeeze the stress. On-screen text. Cartoon kid frowning, then smiling as they squish slime. You can create your own custom slime with different colors, scents, and mix-ins. It's like art and science combined. Every slime you make is one of a kind, just like you. Super custom slime magic. On-screen text. A showcase of colorful slime styles, sparkly, swirly, foamy, and crunchy. Thanks for going on a gooey adventure with us. Want more squishy fun? Hit that like button, subscribe, and keep sliming. Super, see you next slime. On-screen text. All the slime blobs gather for a squishy dance party.